lonely while I'm gone, or did you meet somebody else? Is she taking care of you? Can't believe we're really cool. If you ever feeling lonely, then you know just what to do.
Hi you guys, welcome back to AshaKosh. It's your girl AshaKosh, and thank you for coming to my video. Thank you guys for, being here. So today I'm going to be doing a video, doing it all on my new iPhone 11 Pro. I got this video inspired by Alyssa. I believe that's who she is. I'll link her channel below and link her video as well. But I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial using my 11 Pro and using the hair from Supernova Hair. So all their stuff will be in the description, and let's get into the video.
Alright, I'm liking this already. Hold this curl a little bit. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one. It's a little bit better. It's a little all the way better. Like, I don't know if the other one wasn't getting hot, if this one just likes me better, but we're gonna stick with her. Alright. Oh, did I turn it off? We'll check later. Uh-oh, that one's kind of fell, but it still has a curl, so it doesn't matter. No. I'm trying to be super careful with my nails because they have rhinestones on them and I don't want them to fall off. Just because, hair can get in between those little pieces and just snatch it off. It snatched one of them off already. So that's where I'm like, I missed it too.
Hi you guys, it's Asha, and I just want to apologize before I continue to talk. I'm sorry I sound stuffy and stuff. I'm just season changing and allergies, and you know how it goes. So this hair also didn't come this color, like this highlights and stuff. My friend Kennedy did it. I'll link her in the description as well. She did a bomb job, and as you can tell, the hair actually, like, after dyeing it, sometimes hair really shows its colors after you dye, like if it's bad or not. This one actually held up and it looks really good dyed. So props to her and props to the hair. So I'm gonna just do a tutorial on how I wand curl my hair. I've been doing this a lot lately and I've gotten a lot of compliments on wand curling. So your girl, I don't know if I'm gonna say I mastered it, but I burned my ears, so I'm not that good at it, but I'm good enough to show you guys how I do it. And this is how I do it, which is pretty simple. Just wrapping the hair around the wand. This wand I got a long time ago. It's a really big barrel wand. I kind of prefer this wand more than the little wand, just because the curls look better to me, or it's easier to use for me. I don't know. But right now I'm using the 11 Pro slow motion feature. As you guys can tell, it looks amazing. The quality is amazing, and I'm not sponsored by Apple, of course. I'm just literally looking at the clips, and you guys can see, like, the phone is actually doing a good job. I hope you guys are enjoying these clips so far, because I really think you can see more of the hair and like the bounce, the curls, and all that with the slow-mo. And right now I'm playing with the features of the phone, and now I'm going to do time-lapse on the next side of my head. So yeah, enjoy.
So I just finished curling it. I think using the other one worked so much better. I really like these curls. They're kind of fancy, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm just gonna tuck this behind my ear, like figure out the curls, like figure through them a little bit. I'm gonna get some hairspray so that they won't fall so quick. But yeah, really, really cute and easy. And yeah, I just gotta put the like finishing touches on my edges. And I'm gonna use this and the edge brush. And I'm gonna swoop these baby hairs down. I really like the color. You guys can see the color a little bit better when I come closer. The curls were everything. I might have to do these more often. I'm really gonna have to take pictures today. This side isn't even gonna be shown, so I'm not really worried about those edges. So yeah. Alright, that looks very good, very natural. And alright, that's much better. And I'm gonna get some hairspray to hold this all in place.
So much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you stay to the end. If you did, subscribe while you're here. Yeah.